Hi guys, welcome back to another video and welcome to my channel if you're new. Hi, my name is Femke and in today's video I wanted to swatch and review the new Catrice limited edition polishes. The limited edition polishes I want to talk about are from the Pure Simplicity collection. It is really cool. They have like a bamboo cap and everything, and they are usually around €3.59 each. I really love the holographic like text on these polishes, and the bamboo cap just looks really cool. I'm just going to swatch all of these on my own natural nails, just one nail, one color. And yeah, I just really love the look and feel of these polishes at first glance. I think they look really nice. Just for the record, I bought these myself, so this is not sponsored or sent out to me for free or anything. Just wanted to put it out there. I'm a big fan of Catrice, so that's why I just chose to buy these myself and just try them out for you guys. So I did apply one of my Essence base coats and I'm going to try out the first color at first, of course. This one is called Rosy Verve, and this is a color I love wearing like all year round. It is a lovely like darker dusty rose pink color. I really love it. You guys seem to love colors like these as well, because I get a lot of questions every time I wear a color like this where you can find it. So yeah, if you are able to get any of the Catrice limited edition polishes, I would definitely check this one out. It is completely opaque in the first coat, and yeah, I just really like it. Then the second color is called Naked Petals, and this is also a very wearable color. I really love this one as well. I have to say that because this collection came out half November, like at the moment kind of, and it runs throughout half December, I don't feel like it is really like a fall collection or winter collection. Especially with this second color and the third color, I feel like it's more spring-like, but like apart from that, this is just a lovely like soft peachy color you can wear all year round. But I just expect it because this time of year is all about like the holidays, Thanksgiving, stuff like that. I was expecting a collection more Christmassy or holiday related, I don't know, but nonetheless it is a really pretty color, and it is opaque in about 2 thinner layers or 1 thicker coat. So yeah, it's totally up to you how you want to apply these. I usually go just for 2 thinner layers, but just for the video I applied a thicker coat to let you see, or just to show that you can also just do 1 thicker coat. It just takes a little longer to dry completely. Then this third color, as I said, this one is called Coral Crush. It's a little bit too springy, too summery for me this time of year at least, but it is a really gorgeous color. There is a slight shimmer in the previous one as well as in this one, or at least that was something that I noticed. If you look really up close, you can see a little bit of a shimmer in there. It's not like a gritty glitter or anything like that, so you don't have any hassles removing this polish afterwards. But again, this one is really nicely super pigmented, nicely opaque, and if you look really up close you can see the shimmer a little bit in this one and the second color. But yeah, a really cool color, really like a brighter coral tone in my opinion, and a little bit too springy or summery, but then again it will become summer and spring again, so you can just keep this for the next year if you want to. Then the last color from this collection is called Moody Plum, and it looks a lot like the polish I was wearing already on my other hand and on my thumb. It is a little bit darker in my opinion, but if you already have the color that I was wearing, you can just skip this one. It's really similar, just a little bit darker, but it is super opaque. This one definitely is a fall color, Moody Plum, like the color or the name already explains the color. It is a nice like berry plummy kind of color. I wouldn't say it's like a pure plum, because plum in my opinion is more of like a purpley tone, but this is kind of like a browny red. I think it's really pretty, but the polish I was wearing on my thumb and on my right hand is one by a limited edition by Essence. I think this was number 01. I'm not quite sure, but I did record a nail polish of the week video about it, which I will try to upload as soon as possible. It's a really nice color. So if you already have that Essence limited edition color, you can totally skip this Moody Plum one. I just wanted to apply a second layer to all of the colors just to show you their full capacity and opacity. I don't really feel like they all need a second layer because some colors I already applied a thicker first coat. But definitely if you have shorter nails than I have, you are good to go with just one coat for all 4 of these colors. Yeah, I don't really know what else to say. They are really, really nice. I expected 2 colors to be a little bit more Christmassy, like the first and the fourth color are definitely fall and winter approved. But the second and the third color are a little bit too springy for me, as I mentioned before, but nonetheless great quality. They are really affordable as well. The only downside is that these are limited edition and I'm not sure everyone is able to get them, but you might get them online. I got them online at my local drugstore as well. I actually ordered them when I was back in Bangkok, like I think it was last week somewhere. Yeah, I already came back from my Asia trip, just for the record, but yeah, I really hope you liked this video. Let me know which color is your favorite and if you're going to get any of these items. But thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you in my next video.